They also have Kueh Lapis in the pool.
It'll be up to here. Bathtub is natural light. And you can shower here and no one will know.
Black pepper crab. Hey friends, we are officially on our next adventure.
Yay! We will be heading to Bintan. It will be our first time heading there. It's about an hour's ferry ride from Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal. And we are walking to our ferry now.
The passageways and exits are clear of any luggage and other obstructions.
Right, so we just landed. It was quite difficult to find info on. All the info that Pam was trying to find was pre-COVID, so we hope that we can show you what to do, what to eat post-COVID.
Welcome to Bintan.
It's currently raining and there's thunder, so we're set out here. We can't check in yet, so we settled down at this cafe. It's quite a popular cafe called Warang Ye, who sells local cuisine.
Strawberry jam.
Oh, strawberry jam.
Yeah.
This one?
Coffee. Lapis coffee.
Yeah, chocolate bananas.
Chocolate.
This is chocolate, right?
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate and strawberry jam.
So we came up to Mama B. This is a cafe right above Warang Ye where we just had lunch. So what's this? Steamed coffee.
Let's try it. It's quite fragrant.
They also have Kueh Lapis for sale. So come up and give it a try. Pretty good. You can make an order and they can send it to your hotel as well.
Yeah, we got ours sent to our hotel lobby on the day we leave. The rain has stopped, so we are going for a little walk right now. But before that, we are going to go to this mini mart. I think you should get. Let's get this. Indomie in a cup. This is our resort for the next 3 nights. It's called Kamuela Villas. We'll be staying in the signature suite. Nice.
Wow. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary! So this is the master bedroom with a king size bed. The ceiling is actually a cove ceiling. You don't feel like it's a small room, although it's like 4 walls. Here at the back, there is a wardrobe area, a vanity place. Let's see. They provided 2 robes for us with slippers below and a safe. A place for you to put your luggage. And the highlight, a nice bathtub with natural light. And the toilet is on this side. And on the other side, there's a sink. And behind the sink, there is a rain shower. And this is a real rain shower because I can feel the rain coming down. And you can shower here and no one will know. They also provided toothbrush, basic amenity, and the tap is from Kueh. This vanity sink is from Kueh.
This is the second room, also 2 beds. It's a similar layout. The wardrobe here, toilet over here, another bathtub. Very nice for a family. And the pool! The pool is 1.3 meter.
It'll be up to here.
It's pretty cozy for your own villa. And here's the living area and a mini kitchenette behind. Only to boil water, there's no stove, so yeah, there's no cooking to be done here.
But you can cook cup noodles.
We took the cab from the hotel. It was about a 35 minutes drive down here. Bintan Brothers Seafood actually had 2 outlets. I was searching for the one in the city, but this is the real kelong one. Here it is.
So in Bintan, the sun actually sets 1 hour earlier than Singapore. So if you want to catch the sunset over the kelong, be here at about 5:30ish to 6. Yeah.
Now it's around 6:10 and it's already dark.
Pitch black.
Oyster, shellfish, gonggong, you know gonggong?
Yeah.
It's the biggest one is better. Flower crab. Like lobster?
Crayfish. Crayfish. Oh, this is a lobster.
Two? One sambal kangkong. Only that's all. 要铁板吗?
This trip, we're traveling with my family, and here we are enjoying our seafood dinner. Hot plate tofu, black pepper crab, famous here. What's that? Salted egg prawn, flower crab, and some kangkong.
Forgot the most important thing. Mantou. Yes. We're done with dinner. I think we would both say that this place is quite pricey for the quality and the taste. The salted egg prawn,
That was quite a letdown.
yeah, it doesn't even taste like salted egg. Yeah, so the best thing here, black pepper crab, standard.
Yeah. We thought this place would be more bustling. It's a Saturday night, but it's like only
Yeah.
5 tables. Yeah.
So we'll be giving another place a try tomorrow. So we will do a comparison then.
Our driver just brought us to a very local hypermarket.
Hypermarket.
Yeah, it's super huge.
He didn't want us to go back to the touristy minimart.
Yeah.
So he says prices here are very cheap. Let's go. Outside for 90 cents. We bought so much. I feel like buying more. Mee goreng. I don't know the price, but it should be cheap. And water. Bye, I'm going for a bath.
Jump in. This is the welcome fruit platter. Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Cheers.